Bless you.
Thanks. I don't usually sneeze like that.
Maybe the breeze tickled your...
Why can't I stop? My nose feels all tingly. Is it the flowers or something wrong with me? I just want to feel normal again.
Hey, it's okay. I made this for you.
For me?
It's warm herbal tea. Helps when you're scared or tired. Here,
It smells nice.
take a sip. I'm right here.
It's What's better?
Good.
You feel better now?
I do. The sneezy part's all gone.
Good. I like when you're happy.
Me too. Thanks for staying with me.
Always.